Man, come.
First day of the job, huh?
Bro, come on, bro. I'm working, bro. Get the fuck on, nigga.
You said what?
I'm working, nigga. Get the fuck on, nigga.
My bad, bro. Shit is smelling that nigga.
Fuck you, nigga.
You doing the wrong job. You supposed to be out slamming niggas out.
Help niggas out then.
Oh, hey, bro. Hey, look, I got a gun for say you trying to buy it.
How much? How much?
Go put that bag in the trash.
Let me
right
show
quick,
you.
bro.
Let me
Come
show
back.
you. See it?
Yeah, I see it, bitch ass nigga.
Like,
Sell it. How much, nigga?
I'm like,
Hey, bro, get your
Yeah,
bitch ass
bro.
back in that barbershop, bro. Get the pussy, bro.
Nigga, I don't got that much. I got.
Nigga, do you want to have a good day at work or a bad day, bro? I ain't gonna tell you again.
Bro, get the fuck on, nigga.
it's time to go. It's time to
Y'all
go.
some hoe ass niggas, bro.